Entries at a glance. Adjustment. Closing stock. Adjustment entry. Closing stock account debited to trading account. In trading and profit and loss account shown on credit side of trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet shown on the asset side. Adjustment. Outstanding expenses. Adjustment entry. Expense account debited to outstanding expenses account. In trading and profit and loss account, added to the expense on the debit side of the profit and loss account. Balance sheet shown on the liability sides of the balance sheet. Adjustments prepaid expenses. Adjustment entry, prepaid expense account debited to expense account. In trading and profit and loss account, deducted from the respective expense on the debit side. Balance sheet shown on the asset sides of the balance sheet. Adjustment, income earned but not received. Adjustment entry, accrued income account debited to income account. In trading and profit and loss account, added to the respective income header on the credit side. Balance sheet shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Adjustment, income received in advance. Adjustment entry, income account debited to income received in advance account. In trading and profit and loss account, deducted from the respective income on the credit side. Balance sheet shown on the liabilities side of the balance sheet. Adjustment, depreciation. Adjustment entry, depreciation account debited to assets account. In trading and profit and loss account shown on debit side. Balance sheet deducted from the value of the asset.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.